Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve the quality of your photos on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application and then use the plus button or the open icon in order to open up any image that you would like to edit. Once you open up the image that you want to edit, you will be able to choose various different styles and tools. Now, if you wish to increase the quality of your photo, go ahead and tap on Tools and then tap on Details. Now, within the Details section, you can swipe right on the structure to give your photos more definition. You can swipe down and also change the sharpening settings. After choosing your desired level of sharpening and structure, you can tap on the tick mark in order to save your changes. And now, also tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on Settings. Within this page, within Format and Quality, choose JPG 100%, or you can also use PNG. Also make sure that within image resizing, the Do Not Resize option is selected. And now, every time you export your images, it will be exported in the highest setting possible. And with the detailed adjustments that you have applied, your image will be much more clearer and detailed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to increase or improve your photo quality on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.